In a world full of distractions, developing consistency is essential to building willpower and breaking free from the illusions that keep us from our true potential. In this video, we'll explore how small daily actions help create lasting habits that restore energy, deepen focus, and lead to success. Whether it's through faith, business, or personal growth, consistency helps us see beyond the short term and build the future we want. In the Bible, Noah is a powerful example of consistency in the face of doubt. God called Noah to build the ark, and he consistently followed God's instructions for years, even when others ridiculed him. His persistence led to salvation for his family and the preservation of life on earth. Noah's consistent faith helped him stay connected to God's plan, and through his obedience, he broke free from the pressures and distractions around him. The story shows us the importance of daily consistency and building the willpower to stay aligned with God's purpose. Thomas Edison is often remembered for his innovation, but what really defined his success was his consistency and persistence. Edison didn't see failure as an endpoint, but as a part of the process. His famous quote, "I have not failed, I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work," speaks to his relentless pursuit of success. Edison's ability to consistently show up, even in the face of setbacks, is what allowed him to break through and achieve the invention of the light bulb. This example shows us how daily persistence can lead to major breakthroughs. In Zen Buddhism, consistent mindfulness in daily tasks is a key practice for mental clarity and focus. One of the most famous examples is the Zen tea ceremony, where practitioners consistently focus on the present moment, using this simple act of preparing and serving tea as a form of meditation. This consistent practice of mindfulness in small everyday tasks help practitioners break free from distractions and connect deeply to the present moment, building mental clarity and inner peace over time. In Sufism, the practice of dhikr, the remembrance of God, is used consistently to build spiritual focus and willpower. By consistently engaging in this meditative practice, Sufi practitioners are able to clear their minds and stay focused on God's presence, no matter the distractions around them. This daily practice helps them break free from the illusions of the material world, focusing instead on spiritual connection and inner peace. In Judaism, a consistent daily practice of mitzvot, good deeds, builds willpower and spiritual resilience. By consistently engaging in acts of kindness, prayer, and study, Jewish practitioners align themselves with God's commandments and develop the focus needed to stay connected to their faith. This daily consistency helps break through the distractions of the material world and keeps them grounded in their spiritual purpose. Consistency isn't about perfection. It's about showing up each day and making small intentional choices that build long-term success. Whether it's in your spiritual life, your work, or your personal growth, consistency helps you build the willpower to break free from distractions and align with your true purpose. What's one small consistent action you can commit to this week?